During the video today, I want to show you part of the generator installation process. It is important because then you can realize what type of the job we made. Okay, this is the propane installation parts. Okay, notice us, we have the tanks here where we found a pipes in our way, so we need to cut the pipe, put it back, and relocate it, all the pipes, in matter to keep all the sprinkler system where it was. Here's the time, 500 gallons. On the bottom we got a 5 feet or 4.5 feet wide deeps. We got almost 8 feet, roughly 6 to 8 feet, and we have the long approximately 15 feet. That's deep is this tanks. Notice this also, we anchor the tanks on the ground and we pass over, clamp on it in 1, 2, and 3 different locations for avoid the overflow the tanks. This job takes, with the right tools, maybe 1 day. 1 day for do this job. Another time we need to go in and digging around all the way until we find the generator. This is the generator we installed. It's a 28 kW, brand new generations Generac. If we notice, we came down between the legs of the metal platforms. In this case, it's aluminum marine grates, and we coming up, and right there is the gauge for test the pressures. That's part of the deals. So we collect all the earth next to it, all the earth, we put it back to the trench, and also we collect all the extra earth we collect it on the back for dump it in some other place. Notice that here is also, we got a plywood on the ground. We collect the earth through and then we put it back, and only we have up to the ground and level with the grass is that axis, as you notice. Well, that's all for now. The reason I show you this is because one of the most common questions a homeowner asks me is, why is so expensive? Added on the top of that job, we have to fill the tank with the propane. Obviously, the price can be very bad. You can easily add it up $1,200 or more, depending on the size of the tank and the price of the propane back then. That's all for now. It's a pretty good time for show you this. That's all for this video. I see you in the next one. I keep you posted. Ciao.